In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a spark plug on a Jeep Cherokee, which is located in your engine bay. First you want to do is you want to take this plastic piece and swing it out of the way because your coil is underneath it. It has a clip here, but ours was broke. So you just want to lift it, put it out of the way. To swinging that piece of plastic out of the way, this is your coil. You get a 10mm bolt and your clip. You want to slide this little red tab back and try to get in here as good as you can to unclip it. Let's get that out of the way. Take your 10mm, loosen that up. And remove your bolt. And you want to pull straight up. Use your 5/8 spark plug socket. Slide it down. And then you can grab a magnet, go down the hole, and there's your spark plug. You install your new spark plug, slide it down there, tighten it up by hand. After you install your spark plug in by hand, you want to torque that down to 20 foot-pounds. When you're putting your coil in, it's always easy to take your plug it in. As you're putting it down, it just gives you a little bit more room. Listen for that click, and slide your tab. Push down, and start it by hand. Just give it a snug. After installing your coil, last thing, you just want to pull this plastic piece down. There's your clip. You're installed.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.